let's get into another developer fundamental, and that is pros and cons of libraries. You want to be careful with packages because it's not always good to use them. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, these packages are created by developers and programmers. You can have people that are creating really, really good packages, but also people that are creating bad packages that may be buggy and don't work well. So you have to develop that skill to make sure you're able to see, hey, this package is really popular, or this package is being maintained, or this library is really popular with the community, so most likely it's a good package to use. So this is a skill that you need to develop. Also, keep in mind that every time you add a library to, let's say, your project, you're adding more and more code, which means more and more bytes of data. So your project gets heavier and heavier and heavier. So that's also something that you want to consider. Before you're importing a library, ask yourself this: could I just write this myself? You usually want to pull in a library when writing something from scratch yourself is going to be really time consuming and you don't have the expertise in that area. At the same time, it's what makes programming so powerful, right? Because we don't have to start everything from scratch. And most of the time, when you're working as a developer, what you're doing is essentially matching and pulling in different libraries and getting them to all work together. A lot of your work is going to involve working with these libraries, reading the documentation of these libraries, and figuring things out as you go, as you try and build a useful tool by combining everything together. So there's pros and cons to everything. And this is just something that you will develop as you progress through your career. Just keep an open mind, be careful of using just any library, but also learn to read library documentation, learn how to use all these different tools to combine to create something useful. I'll see you in the next video.